Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best IIT JEE coaching in your city, Kochi? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best IIT JEE preparations in your city, Kochi. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank 1, we have Toppers Academy. Toppers Academy is the most preferred online training platform for the preparation of IIT entrance examinations in Delhi. Okay friends, so since 20 years of excellence in the industry of this field, Toppers Academy has now come live in this pandemic era as well. The contribution has been given immensely, experiencing and understanding the needs of the student, growing with the dreams to achieve their goals. Toppers Academy provides the best coaching for IIT JEE Main and Advanced, NEET, AIMS and also for CBSE Class 9th and 12th and undergraduate and postgraduate courses. Toppers Academy has faculty from IITs who makes the learning so interesting that students enjoy the subject and achieve excellent score in academic as well as competitions. Now let us talk about some of the features of this institute. The very first is updated study material, then interactive live classes. Third is free booklets for IIT JEE. Number 4, newspaper and magazine analysis. Then we have doubt clearing classes, answer writing practice sessions, periodic test series on updated NEET and IIT coaching institutes, regular feedback stories, and then they have limited batch size, that is 30 to 35 students for IIT JEE yearly. Okay, their contact number is 7827048964 and their batch size is 30 to 35 students for online classes batch. At rank 2, we have the Hindu Zone Institute. The Hindu Zone is a platform in which the vision of teaching IIT entrance examination is not only limited to theoretical preparation but also some practical approaches followed accordingly. The expertise counselors guide students to pave ways accordingly and individually for a better understanding of in-depth concepts. Alright, now let us talk about the features of the Hindu Zone Institute. Well-experienced faculty help students, don't let them be hustled up with their doubts. Then, pre-recorded classes are provided for the extensive training program. Live video sessions inculcate students with long practices. Number 4, updated study material is always there for students to be one step ahead with their preparations among the others. Then, doubt clearing sessions are an advantage for those having huge doubt while studying. Finally, we have regular feedback stories giving attention to real updates of students' analysis of the training, and it provides demo lectures for the students for the preferred coaching with an expert mentor to drive your journey smartly and appropriately. Alright, the address of this institute is 8800222298 and the batches of the institute is 25 to 30 students in a batch. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Ellen Career Institute. The features of Ellen Career Institute includes high-tech classes, comprehensive study materials which are very self-guiding. Number 2, the classes are well structured that help students to keep up with their learnings from the already taken classes and use it in the next class. Set of classes which are completely focused on explaining the students the how comes pattern of the exam paper. And finally, they have doubt removal sessions for the students. The address of this institute includes RK Commercial, PJ Antony Crossroad, next to metro station behind Pallaravittom, Kochi, Kerala 682025. Their contact number includes 9116687309. Down to our rank 4 institute, we have FitJEE Institute. They provide the best quality education. Every small thing is taken care of. Let it be the silliest doubt asked by a student, they would explain it repeatedly and in a simplified manner until the students understands. Number 2, it has a good record of success rate of students passing the exam in the previous years as well. The address of this institute includes Lakshmi Bhai Towers, 4th floor, TD Road, North End, Ernakulam, Kerala 682035. Their contact number includes 4844015747 and the website is www.fitjee.com with email ID including info@fitjee.com. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is Arise Academy, ARISE. Few sessions are purely to provide tips and tricks about the examination in this institution to the students to make them more efficient. The institute has a teaching faculty of experts and well-experienced teachers. Finally, the deep interactions about topics between the teachers and the students guides the students towards their future desires. The address of this institute includes Arjun Tar's first floor, University Road, South Kalamassery, Kerala 682022. Their contact number includes 953-996-7700 and the website includes www.arise2think.com, followed by their email ID info@arise2think.com. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best IIT JEE preparations in your city, Kochi. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.